Hi everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. Today I wanted to tell you about a feature that may be on your Ford vehicle that you did not know about. Let's say you needed to run your windshield washer fluid, and obviously you can see that I've done that right here. But what if, when you've done that, you notice on the front end, on the grill, on the bumper, you see some areas that are wet also. What exactly is that from? Well, it has to do with your front camera. So let's hop into the vehicle and I'll show you exactly what's going on. So let's say that you pull the lever back here on the right-hand side of the steering wheel to run your windshield washer fluid, as you can see right there. Well, there's more going on than just that, even when you don't see it on the screen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna bring up the front camera, and you can kind of already see some of the drops of fluid on there. But here's what happens. When you run the windshield washer fluid, you also run the front camera washer, something that many of you may not have known your Ford vehicle has. So check that out. It's not on every single vehicle, but it is available on a lot of vehicles on certain trim levels. So check that out when you get a chance and see if your Ford vehicle has a front camera washer and it's something you didn't know was there. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.